10 home remedies for high blood pressure. Before, an individual was considered to have hypertension or hypertension if their readings were 140 more than 90 or higher. Be that as it may, as indicated by the 2017 rules from the American Heart Association, if your circulatory strain is 130/80ths of a millimeter Hg or higher, you have hypertension. Hypertension puts an extra strain on the veins, conduits, and heart. The threat of a stroke or coronary failure additionally increments if the pulse stays high. Hypertension may likewise cause other heart and kidney-related illnesses and in uncommon cases, even dementia. A blend of home cures and clinical treatments, for more genuine cases, and forestalls the complexities of hypertension. 1. Garlic. Studies recommend garlic can help lower hypertension. Cooked or crude, the bulb helps control hypertension and decrease cholesterol levels, as well. Garlic loosens up veins by enabling the age of nitric oxide and hydrogen sulfide. Burn through a couple of cloves of garlic every day. Pulverizing the cloves makes hydrogen sulfide, a substance that improves the bloodstream, clears gas, and diminishes hypertension. Rather than gulping crude garlic, a few groups decide to mix drops of new garlic juice with water or take garlic pills. 2. Hawthorn. Hawthorn has for some time been utilized as a characteristic treatment for cardiovascular, respiratory, and circulatory sicknesses. The berries were viewed as valuable for different heart conditions including cardiovascular breakdown, chest torment, unpredictable heartbeat, atherosclerosis, and hypertension. Hawthorn is wealthy in plant intensifies called flavonoids, oligomeric procyanidins, OPCs, and quercetin. There has been extensive examination into the plant's consequences for coronary diseases. Hawthorn concentrate can help ease arrhythmia and palpitations, improve the strength of veins, control glucose levels, and reduce the peril of hypertension. Drinking hawthorn tea day by day can be valuable to a few, yet consistently examine the expansion of this spice with a specialist prior to continuing. 3. Coconut water. People with hypertension should keep themselves very much hydrated, significantly more so than individuals with a solid pulse on the grounds that the antihypertensive prescription can cause drying out. In contrast to ordinary water, coconut water is stacked with potassium and contains some magnesium and different electrolytes. These electrolytes can help lower circulatory strain and by and large add to heart well-being. Close by crude coconut water, ordinary water, and without caffeine home-grown teas can be burned through. 4. Ginger. Ginger may help improve hypertension. Exploration proposes that ginger works in a couple of ways, diminishing the danger of heart conditions, for instance, cutting down circulatory strain, lessening cholesterol, and forestalling the development of hazardous blood clusters. Ginger decreases the degree of terrible LDL cholesterol by keeping plaque from creating on veins. The multi-purpose root is additional blood more slender, containing salicylates. The compound contributes this property to headache medicine. Blood clusters can stop sufficient bloodstream and travel to the lungs, heart, mind, or different territories, expanding the danger of a stroke, coronary failure, and lung or kidney harm. 5. Cayenne pepper, capsaicin. Cayenne pepper is popular for its vasodilating, vessel-opening properties. It quickly grows veins, which upgrades the flood of blood. Speedier and more dynamic streams ease the heat off the veins. Cayenne pepper opens up veins and helps increment flow. As per people medication, cayenne pepper goes about as a blood detoxifier, as well, and has blood more slender characteristics. Day-by-day suggested measurements for cayenne pepper powder have not been set up. Subsequently, it is essential to counsel a doctor prior to adding it routinely to your eating regimen. Capsaicin supplements are another option, also. 6. Carrots. Crude carrots are an incredible solution for bringing down hypertension. Carrots are a decent wellspring of fiber, nutrients and K1, a few minerals, and phenolic intensifies that help declines the danger of vascular infections. They are high in potassium, which helps balance liquid levels and standardizes the beat. Potassium likewise balances sodium levels. When in overabundance, sodium is inconvenient to pulse. Researchers propose that drinking 16 fluid ounces of day-by-day newly crushed carrot juice may help improve cardiovascular well-being and lower circulatory strain. 7. Celery. Celery seed has been utilized in Chinese medication to bring down pulse for centuries. The actual vegetable is a strong vegetable that goes about as a diuretic and flushes out overabundance water from the body and heart, with numerous fortifying outcomes. Albeit more exploration is required, the compound called 3N-butylphthalate is mindful of the trademark scent of celery as well as for its enemy of hypertensive impacts. Phthalides help improves the bloodstream and loosens up the muscles in and around vein dividers. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain potassium, beta-carotene, nutrient E, and other cell reinforcement specialists, all of which can help lower hypertension. This intense natural product likewise contains lycopene, a carotenoid that gives it its energetic red tone. In light of examination considers, lycopene may help forestall atherosclerosis, lower pulse, go about as a blood more slender, and diminish the firmness of the conduits. 9. Sesame. Sesame oil contains sound fats including polyunsaturated fats, PUFAs, nutrient E, and sesamin, a key compound answerable for bringing down hypertension and facilitating cardiovascular disease and diabetes. PUFA and sesamin together loosen up the vein divider, may improve bloodstream and cholesterol levels, and decrease irritation. 10. Dull chocolate.